welcome back to my channel Classical Clean. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Ignore my hair please. So today's video is all about unboxing my two bags. Now one will go live, I don't know when. One will go live tonight. So I'll be shooting them back to back. One is the Glamego box, the other one is the Fab bag. So I just received them today. I don't know why do they send me it's not late, and then I have to come late with these. So now what I saw on Instagram was really interesting, so that is why I am unboxing Glamego boxes. Can you see? Yeah, I just love the packaging, and yes, oh my god, so cute. So this is how it looks like, and I really love the box. Now from the past 1 month they have been sending so much good boxes. They are first magnetic, second they are magnetic, second they are this is a very good quality now. Like this seems like it's wooden, but it's not, it's plastic, but still. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so because it's Mother's month, Mother's Day is just around the corner, and so it's like she's like mommy bear, cuddle us like a cub. She's like mommy elephant, navigate us to light. She's like mommy tigress, protect us like a cub. Yes, that's true. Love you, mom. So basically this was for mom, but fortunately and unfortunately my mother does not like subscription boxes. She loves to buy things, so yeah, she's like that. So what I'll do is I'll just gift her the hamper and she'll be happy. But stay tuned to see what I give to my mom. So yeah, so this is Date with Mom, the best place in your city. This is the coupon, and post any of your pic with mom before 10th of May, and tomorrow is 10th. So yes, and tag us Glamego Clean, and hashtag Date with Mom in the best place of your city. All right. So this is the product list. I will not be saying this. The first thing that comes into my hand is this Acne Plus for pimple prevention. Now what happened is for the past 3 months they've been sending pouches. I have not used the pouches because I use only Pond's face wash. So this is the one that they are sending. This is controls skin heat plus removes excess oil. So yes, my skin is oily nowadays. Can you see the highlight? That's natural because I have oily skin. So yeah, so this one retails, this is a gift, but this one retails for 99 rupees, just 99 rupees. So you can buy it, but I cannot promise if this is fine or not. So I'll use it and I'll let you guys. If you want to know, I will post, I'll wash my face for like 1 week, and then after 1 week from today, I'll tell you, like I'll review it on my Instagram post. So yeah. So the next thing is what Mama chup ho jao, main video bana rahi hu. So the next thing is a Water's infusion cream. So this is night infusion cream. So you have to apply it at night and sleep. And this is for both male and female. So that's great. And this one retails. So I mean, this is really costly. This is for rupees 1550 rupees. This is all Ayurvedic. And this is 30 ml for 550 rupees. Next up is this pouch, little pouch. And I'll see what's inside it. One is the nail paint which I selected, I know, because I love this color and I was out of this. So right now my nails are French manicured. So this is the color that I ordered, and this is matte Glamour Hall. So I will be applying it soon. Like I wanted to go for matte brown nails as Kylie went for them, and I really loved her nails. I love her nails. I admire her a lot. Next is Bella Voste's lipstick. Like I am full of lipstick, guys. If you want to see my lipstick haul, like how many lipsticks do I have, please comment down below. I'll tell you how many lipstick I have, and they're all reds and pinks mostly. So now this is Legendary Satin Touch Lipstick 07. Oh my god, this is red again. Can you guys see it? What should I say? I'm hopeless and speechless. I selected the color brown, but it's red. What have you done, Glamego? It's okay. I'll use it. I love reds though. It's okay. Ab to aa gaya na. Next is the lip scrub. I love lip scrub. Actually, I need lip scrubs this time because I'm all gone, and this is so nice. This is dates, licorice, and rabbitin lip scrub, and this smells really nice, and this is really nice. So I'll be using it today. Otherwise, I use the pineapple one. I think that's this anything for. So let me tell you each and every price of each and every product. Water multivitamin and rejuvenating night cream was for rupees 1550. The Roto Pimple Plus 8 gift, the face wash was for rupees 99. The lip scrub was for rupees 261. Next is Bella Voste's lipstick was for rupees 225, quite affordable. And Bella Voste's nail paint was for rupees 249. So this is more than like 3 or maybe 2000 rupees. So yeah, this is more than 2000 rupees, and yes, Glamego does best. I love it, and I guess I got them all for rupees 300. It's a good deal, guys. So yes, this is all that I got in my Glamego box. I hope you did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to see how many lipsticks do I have, comment down below. Go and DM me on Instagram, and I come live again and again. So please go follow me on Instagram. My username is the Colossal Queen, the same name that I have on YouTube. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.